With the Galaxy S23 Ultra expected to feature a new 200 megapixels camera among many improvements, you would assume Samsung would change the S23 Ultra's design to accommodate these improvements. Surprisingly, the S23 Ultra is expected to feature a similar design to its predecessor.
A wise choice.
Today, we'll discuss the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra's official looks and design. Size. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, like its predecessor, will have a screen size of about 6.8 inches. Compared to the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, which measured 163.3 x 77.9 x 8.9 millimeters, the forthcoming smartphone will be slightly larger.
Bigger is better.
With rough measurements of 163.4 x 78.1 x 8.8 millimeters. We expect the Galaxy S23 Ultra to have the thinnest bezels of any S-series phone to date. However, despite keeping the same overall dimensions, the S23 Ultra will provide enhanced peak brightness, color accuracy, lowest screen reflectivity, and HDR capability. We'll learn more about the S23 Ultra at the forthcoming Samsung Unpacked event, and you can count on us to bring you up to speed on everything that happens at the event. Simply subscribe to our channel and receive push alerts whenever we drop new content. General design. According to renders sourced by OnLeaks, the S23 Ultra appears to share a metal frame and glass cover design with Samsung's Galaxy S23, making them look like the iPhone. However, the metal frame of the sensors is noticeably bigger than that of the Galaxy S22 Ultra.
Still an improvement.
This next generation of smartphones will feature less rounded edges. Plus, the front of the phone will have minimal bezels and a central cutout for the camera used for taking selfies and making video calls. Speaking of cameras, we'll very soon discuss the Galaxy S23 Ultra's rear camera design, so make sure you don't miss it. Features. When it comes to other features, the smartphone's power button and volume rockers can be found on its right spine, and at the base, the S23 Ultra has a speaker grille, a USB-C port, and a SIM card slot. The devices will likely come in 4 different colors: beige, black, green, and a pale pink. However, Ross Young, an industry-experienced tipster, shared on Twitter that the new colors on the S23 Ultra include gray, light blue, light green, and red, in addition to beige, black, green, and light pink.
There are so many great ones to choose from.
Having more options is always a good thing, so this gives us something to look forward to. Share with us in the comment section what you think about these colors. Which one would you prefer? Camera design. From the rendered images, the back of the Ultra seems flatter than that of its predecessor and houses 5 camera sensors, 3 of which have larger lenses than the other 2. Similar to the Galaxy S22 Ultra, the camera module appears to be located in the upper left corner of the device.
So twins!
The right side's 2 tiny sensors, however, are now flush with the back panel, marking a significant departure from the original design. No matter how probable these renders are to be accurate, they remain speculations until Samsung officially announces the Galaxy S23 series. Fortunately, that time is not far off, and we're really looking forward to it. Likewise, Apple seems to be cooking up something, and users are in for a shock. In our next video, we discuss the iPhone 15 release date and price, so make sure you watch that too.